Hi, today I'll be showing you how to tie your shoe one-handed, only this time from my point of view, so it might be a little easier to learn the technique. Let me start by untying my shoe. So now we have the two laces side by side. We're going to cross the right over, cross the left over, and then tuck the left underneath the right. Pull things tight, create a loop. Next we'll tuck this lace underneath the loop we just created, and then pull things tight. And you take up your slack just by pulling it through, just as you would if you were tying two-handed. And then pull things tight from the loops. And that's that. And that's a good way to do it if you're in a hurry to get out the door in the morning, need it done nice and quick. If you're active and you want to make sure your shoes don't come untied, we can do the same as we did before by crossing over and creating our first part here, creating our loop, and then tucking underneath that loop to tie just as we did before. The added piece that we'll do for this sort of knot, after taking in our slack like that, is to tuck one loop underneath the other to create a bit of a double knot like this. We'll grab it, pull it tight, and that's going to not come undone for you. That'll stay nice and tight. And as the benefit that I showed in the previous shoe tying video is you can still untie the shoe simply by pulling like this. It's not a big ordeal to get it undone. So let me just retie my shoe in the last part of this video. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to see how I do anything else one-handed, feel free to comment on the video and let me know what it is that might be useful for you to see. So here we're just taking in our slack, wrapping things up, and tightening up our knot. And until next time, have a good one.